Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a queen's pudding. What a queen's pudding is, it's a layer of baked custard, a layer of strawberry preserve, and a layer of meringue. You should have all these ingredients in your home, so it'll be a quick and easy dessert to make. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Cut the crust off of 5 slices of white bread. Place the bread onto a cooling rack and place into the oven on the lowest temperature for 5 minutes on each side. You want the bread to dry out a little but not to brown. Place the dry bread into a food processor and you should end up with fresh breadcrumbs. Next is the strawberry preserve layer. In a pot over low heat, add in 500 grams of frozen strawberries, cook until they release their own juices and are soft. Add in 200 grams of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Cook until the right germ consistency. If you're using frozen strawberries like me, this might take longer than if you were to use fresh strawberries. Set aside to cool. In a pot of a medium heat, add in 25 grams of butter and allow that to melt. Add in 50 grams of sugar and the zest of 1 lemon and 600 ml of milk. Bring this to a gentle simmer and allow the sugar to dissolve. Whisk 3 egg yolks and slowly pour in the warm milk mixture. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs into a greased baking tin. Pour the custard base over the breadcrumbs and allow to sit for 15 minutes. Mix slightly with a spoon. Place into a roasting pan, fill the roasting pan halfway up with hot water, and place into the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Whisk 3 egg whites until foamy. Then gradually add in 175 grams of caster sugar. And continue to mix until the mixture is smooth and shiny. Pour the strawberry preserve over the custard base and spread out. Add the meringue on top and spread out. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius, not in the roasting pan this time, for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Enjoy!